Well, when I was a youth, I'm still youthful, but not a youth anymore. When I was a youth, this happened that I happened to take 5 very critically injured road accident cases to the hospital. What I found was that immediate attention was missing. In Mysore city, the general hospital, steel tables will be there and these people, you take them and put them there in grievous conditions and it will take a minimum of 30 to 40 minutes before the doctor actually comes and attends to this patient. And as a part of this, I set up a group of volunteers where we used to man the casualty ward. For nearly probably 14 months, we managed about 6 of us. Alternately, we manned it so that if somebody comes, we make sure they get the attention and get the needed support from contacting the families and doing things like that. In all this, I found one of the biggest challenges was to find the right group of blood for the patient who badly needed blood at that moment. That half a liter of blood could have saved that life, but we run all over the town to find that group of blood and we wouldn't be able to find most of the time. So as a part of this, I also set up a blood donation club. That is, we gathered in those days, we had to identify homes who have telephones at home. We identified 120 telephone numbers who would respond to a blood call. We know their blood groups in the family and we have the telephone numbers, and if somebody needs blood, you just have to call this pool of people who are willing to contribute. This worked pretty well for about 2 years and then I started traveling and it got lost. And I know that problem still persists now and the number of automobile accidents and variety of illnesses have grown, the population has grown, but still this contribution, though many people are doing this contribution, it is still not in an organized way. To donate blood, all you have to do is register your blood group and say you're willing to do it. The youth of this nation should stand up because just to care for some life, a life that you do not know, but you care, this is where your humanity is. To have an active sense of humanity, this is important, that you don't just care for people who are around you, you're willing to care for someone that you have not seen and you will not see, but your blood will flow in his arteries and veins. This is important. Please, let's make this happen.